Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use exchange feature in Dragon Ball Legends. So you can trade your medals and get awesome items. Before we start, I made this video for beginner or new into this game. Still confused how this game works, how you can challenge the event, completing mission and get some rewards. So let's get started by tapping the menu button. And this one, the exchange shop. Tap the exchange shop. And this one, there are two here, like permanent or recommend. So for example, the first one is get coin from the summon and exchange for item. Click or tap. So if you are summoned in this banner, you can get this coin, for example, until 50. So you can exchange with a fragment, this one. Or the other example, tap the permanent. The first one, the legend weekend. So if you got this, the coin or the souls, you can exchange with art core or with the soul. So you can try exchange other item. Just visit or join this feature, the exchange feature, to get the item you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.